This is Iron Man Duck, aka Dead by Don Gamer. One of my friends, Soul Reaper Den, has asked me how do I make the channel points cause my OBS to, change screens and all that good stuff. So we're going to explain the process. Hopefully I'm able to edit the two things in together that I want. If not, then I'll just show you I'll just tell you what happens at the end. Okay. So basically what we do here now, first we're in our OBS right here, okay? We've got our OBS screen. So the first thing we're going to want to do before we do anything is we're going to go ahead and create a new scene. So over here on your left here where you see create new scenes, you're just going to push plus, add new scene. Now it might bounce over to some kind of crazy screen. It's because I have so many hotkeys. WTF ducks. Okay, we were lucky. So we're going to name it, WTF Ducks. Let me first do it again. WTF Ducks. And I'm going to leave it all together because I need this name to match exactly what I'm going to put up in tiggerfyre and on my customized rewards on Twitch. Okay, so we're making a screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to add my display so you can see my display. 1 second here. Display capture. Add. Okay, we're just going to add the display. Okay, what the heck is... One second, I'll get this back to right size and we'll get to where we're going. Okay. I'm only adding display capture temporarily so you can see what I'm doing. So now what we're going to do is build the scene. So we're going to do a plus, and we want to do a media source. I'm going to name it Ducks WTF 1111. Okay, it doesn't matter what you name this file. Okay, so we want the file to loop. We're going to browse, and this is going to be on my desktop. This is going to be on my desktop here, because this is a video I just recently made. I'm going to see if this works. If not, I'm going to have to download it from YouTube. Where was it? Okay, ducks. All right, boop. So now we got.
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
Now what this does,
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
Okay, so I got
My
the deep
name's
link
blurry face
template.
and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry.
So Mr. Goat's being silly, that's why. Let's see here. Load up, Mr. Goat. There you go. There you go. What the hell are you doing? Oh, I think I know what's going on here. Okay, Mr. Goat's not important right now. We'll come back to that.
Have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think.
My name's blurry face and I care what you think. It's going to go off, and I don't have to add.
My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
Because this scene was already pre-built, it has all my alert systems and all that in it.
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
Till we get up into the green. That's probably good. So to turn this source on, we just go over here to Advanced Audio Properties. I know you can't see it. Why can't I make you see it? Let me see. Display capture.
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think.
Okay, I'm just putting this so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so as you can see, there's no sound here, right? So because there's no sound here, we're going to go right over here to where it says, you see this music going on? It was in the red, so I adjusted the bar down into the green. So you don't want it in the red. It's going to be affecting people's volume, and they're going to get upset. Okay, so what we do here is we click on these three things, advanced properties, right? And if you look, the song, this has this right here should have the sound. So I just go from monitor and output. There we go. So now you can see that the duck's there, right? Okay. So now we got that going. So I've got my deepfake template. Let me the deepfake template that has all. So you would add all your different sources here that you wanted, you know, alerts, this and that. Okay, so after we got that, so that's all set up right there. We've got the scene set up now. So we got the scene set up. So now the next thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and go to our home screen. And I have this running on loop, so it keeps going. Alright, so let's go home. So the next thing we would do, the next thing we're going to do now is we are going to go to our Twitch. You go to your streamer man, you'll come into where your creator dashboard is and all that, and then you go down to channel points, viewer rewards channel points. Then you go right here, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a custom reward. This is a very important part. When you have a new custom reward, you push there. Okay, so we need to name this reward exactly what we named our scene. Okay, so let's see here. We've got our scene. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. I'm copying this exactly. So it's WTF ducks, okay? So we're going to go back home real quick. So you want to name this exactly what it is. Boop. What the most angry duck of them all. Sorry. Okay, so now we're going to enter in our channel point amounts. So we've got our channel points. I'm going to go ahead and make this 150 because I got those other ones that. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my default images I have here, which is going to be duck stuff, duck emotes. This is going to be the old ones. This should be under, let me arrange them by, sort by date. Okay, so boop. So Mad Duck 112, Mad Duck 56, where you at? Come on now, don't be messing with me. Mad Duck 56, and then Mad Duck 28. Alright, we got him. Come here. Okay, so we got Mad Duck 28. So we got our channel point, we got him set up. So we've got the custom reward set up right now. Okay? Now, let's make this red. Alright. Actually, we're going to make it black. Okay. Okay, so once you've got that set up, that's part one. So there's the WTF duck right there. Okay? Ducks. So now the next step is you got to go to your tiggerfyre. Let me see where I'm hiding that at in here. Boo, 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 boo. So you go to your tiggerfyre. Okay? Go ahead and log in with your Twitch. Once you log in with your Twitch, you come over here to where it says OBS. Okay, you're going to connect to your OBS. Okay, so once you connect it to your OBS, you go to OBS Connect. Then you come down here to the plus mark. Okay, so you're going to name it exactly what you made that custom reward. Then hit this dot. Exactly what you made that custom reward. And then allow command, save. We're going to hold that one for, let's say, 10 seconds. Global cooldown, 10 seconds. Oh no, user cooldown. Yeah, we'll do 10 seconds. So the next thing you want to do is, okay, I have it as everybody. If you want it just it to be a moderator command, if you're setting it up for another bot to do something, that's where you do it. But I got it on everybody. So now you're going to do manage action. So we want it to pick a scene and we want it to hold the scene. We want to hold the scene for 10 seconds. And here we go down to what scene we want it to hold. So we want it to hold WTF ducks. So we're going to save. Okay, so that's saved. So basically, oh shit, 1 second. So basically what that's going to do, I have to restart my OBS. When that happens, whenever somebody hits that button, it's going to call up a screen. So let me show you one that's already set. Let me show you one that's already set. So since we have that up, I'm going to go into my channel. Okay. My channel, Twitch. 1 second here and we'll get it. Why that's happening? Well, I'm waiting to do that. Okay, look here. Mr. Ranchy. You're that one. Okay, so, okay, PNG Tuber 2 is going to be here. Mr. Ranchy is being a monster. Okay, there's Mr. Ranchy. Okay, PNG Tuber 2. Okay, there we go. Finally, you want to come back, Mr. Goat. Okay, so what he'll do now, I'm going to my Twitch channel real quick, because you can test these things from your chat even if you're not live, as long as your OBS is up. Okay, so boop. So let's go to a channel point reward. So here's an example of one. Like if somebody was to do the run, you know, redeem. Boop, 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 boop. So that's what that other one should do now. It should transfer to that scene, and it'll go back on its own here in a second. See, look, let me show you what I'm talking about. Well, that just demonetized this whole video. God dog it. Anyways, fuck it, I don't care. So, as you see, I have my hands. I'm not doing nothing. That was me just redeeming a channel point reward. And then it'll go back after a set amount of time. And that's how it works. Alright, so if everything worked right, now, let's get up our little, okay, we have our, no, we don't have our desktop. So, if everything worked right now, which it has, you see over here, I'm going to my creator dashboard, and now you see the WTF duck has showed up here as a new reward. So when someone clicks it now, watch, when someone clicks it, there we go, so redeem.
I wish I didn't have to run every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink.
Oh yeah, see? There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Yep, and that's it.